Hi, I'm Łukasz, a cloud solution engineer here at Hestio. Today, I would like to talk about building on AWS using worX, our load-code pattern library. worX is a library of reusable patterns that allows you to build AWS resources from VMs through to application workloads and onto complex patterns like global networks. Our load-code patterns allows users to build and manage resources from a single file, giving them all of the benefits of using infrastructure as a code, but without the complexity. Our patterns come with the good defaults based on the best practices, and our great documentations contains reference examples to get you started. What is a workspace? A workspace is your team ultimate collaboration hub. It simplifies the way you work on AWS by offering seamless access to Visual Studio from anywhere. What are the benefits of using a workspace? By connecting to dedicated workspace servers, you can centralize and secure all your data in one place. This boosts security and flexibility, making your AWS journey smoother. You can easily manage AWS resources with our user-friendly OSH features and deploy resources in just seconds using the included blocks Terraform tools. Discover the best cloud practices at your fingertips every time you connect to a workspace. Now, let's show you just how easy it is to connect with Visual Studio and deploy AWS resources. Having Visual Studio ready, all that's left is configuring the workspace server as a remote connection and connect to it. Voila! We're now connected. Please notice that our terminal is good to go, and all the features are available for use. Next, let's open a folder. You might have noticed that we have an example folder delivered to every user, which provides a handy cheat sheet for quick deployment of Hestio modules. How cool is that? Finally, let's try deploying a simple VM and see just how quick and easy it can be. Let's copy the example folder. All we need to do is to use the YAML configuration file. For our demo, we will use the simplest configuration available. Now, let's proceed with the deployment. How fast was that? It only took a few moments from creating the config file to deploying multiple resources in AWS. Yes, it's not just a single VM, it's the multiple resources needed for our VM, all configured under the hood, so we don't need to worry about it. Let's verify if our VM is truly deployed into AWS account. Indeed, our VM is now deployed and up and running seamlessly. You will notice that all of the necessary configurations are perfectly in place. This includes the instance type, subnets, tags, and even additional volumes, all of which are deployed and seamlessly attached to the instance. The remarkable part is that none of this required a single line of Terraform code. So, that's it for today. Thanks for spending your time with us today here at Hestio. If you would like to find out more about worX, follow the links in the description below.